Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, to you, what is HD-DVD? I'm telling about a high definition or HD-DVD has higher storage capacity. One is the optical storage medium. Single-layered HD-DVD 15 gigabytes is the storage capacity, whereas a double-layer HD-DVD has about 30 gigabytes of storage space. In this video, we are all in high-definition format. We will talk about a different aspect so that it can help you decide. For whom should you go? Let's move on. An HD-DVD. Let's discuss the advantages and drawbacks. Dear friends, please watch my video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment on my videos. Introduction. HD-DVD player versus others player. Which one to choose and why? All formats are next generation video formats that are a step ahead in the latest DVD technology. These formats have been designed to introduce high-definition video content to HD TVs. But the problem is that the all formats are not compatible with each other. Blu-ray players will not play any HD DVD movies. Similarly, HD DVD players will not play any Blu-ray movies. For years, Hollywood and the electronics industry have been debating whether Blu-ray or HD-DVD technology, which is superior. However, the format war that was going on between HD-DVD and Blu-ray, that is, HD-DVD versus Blu-ray, for supremacy as the leading high-definition media standard, has pretty much been resolved. HD-DVD players are far less expensive than Blu-ray players, yet Blu-ray discs have a little more storage capacity and better anti-piracy security. Both variations have excellent resolution. Blu-ray is more expensive and has a capacity of 25 gigabytes. In contrast, HD-DVD contains 15 gigabytes of storage space and is also less expensive than Blu-ray. In this video, we will discuss HD-DVD players, and then we will talk about different aspects of both high-definition formats to help you decide which one you should go for. What is an HD-DVD? A high-definition or HD-DVD is an optical storage medium with high storage capacity. It was once seen as a successor or latest form of DVD. A single-layered, one-sided standard DVD holds 4.7 gigabytes of data and a double-layered disc holds 8.5 gigabytes. Single-layered HD DVD contain a storage capacity of 15 gigabytes, whereas a double-layered HD DVD has around 30 gigabytes of storage space. Let's move ahead and discuss the advantages and drawbacks of HD DVDs. HD DVD advantages. The manufacturing plants used to make DVDs can also be used to manufacture HD DVDs. This is the main reason why HD DVDs and their players are quite inexpensive. A single-layered HD DVD can store up to 15 gigabytes of data, whereas a dual-layered disc can store 30 GB of information. High storage capacity. Backward compatibility with CDs and DVDs. HD-DVD players don't let your old collection of DVDs and CDs become obsolete. These players can read and play CDs and DVDs. Global industry support. HD-DVD has the support of industry giants such as Intel, Microsoft, Hitachi, Kenwood, Fujitsu, Toshiba, Samsung, Lenovo, Canon, Ricoh, Imation, HP, and Sanyo. Similarly, if we talk about software, it has the backing of Studio Canal, the Weinstein Company, New Line, Paramount, Warner, Universal, and DreamWorks. Twin disc support. Due to this unique feature of an HD-DVD, they can be played on both DVD players and HD-DVD players. Twin discs mean that the disc has a normal DVD on one side and HD-DVD on the other, which means both DVD and HD-DVD are imprinted on that same disc. Drawbacks of HD-DVD. Xbox 360 add-on required. For console support, HD-DVD doesn't have similar gaming support like Blu-ray, which has an upside of being PS3 standard. No games are available in HD-DVD format yet. To acquire game support, it needs Microsoft Xbox 360 add-on. Limited to 1080 resolution in many cases. There is no major difference between 576p and 1080p resolutions. HD DVDs are likely to be more compatible with flatter screens because of the lower specifications. The case for DVDs. So, is it time to throw out all your DVDs and replace them? Maybe not quite yet. If you are wondering, can a Blu-ray player play a DVD? It can. All Blu-ray players can read and play DVDs, so you don't have to if you don't want to buy the same movie twice. If, however, you do not have a Blu-ray player, you won't be able to play Blu-rays. The DVD laser is too big to read a Blu-ray disc. Secondly, DVDs are currently cheaper than Blu-rays. So if you're not looking to spend the extra money and don't care that much about picture quality, you can still buy DVDs. You also may not be able to find the movie you want yet in a Blu-ray format. Another reason to hold on to your DVD collection is many of the visual benefits of Blu-ray are visible on HDTV. If you have an older or smaller TV, you may not see a huge difference in video or audio quality. By making the costly switch to Blu-ray, many people also like the of DVDs. You don't always need the latest tech to enjoy a good film. Dear friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment on my video. I will keep making these types of useful videos in future. So stay connected and make sure to subscribe. My channel is growing continuously due to your support. Thank you.